Here is a step-by-step guide on YouTube automation. Start a channel in a niche that is profitable like fitness and health. Here are some channels to model from. Big Muscles, Healthy Fit, Fit Nice Hub. They post very simple videos that are made with AI in few minutes. Let me show you how. First, you need a script. Head over to nvideo.io, choose option AI text to video. Then click Ask AI to write your script. Describe the script and click Generate. Then you click Create, and that's it. You created a great video for your channel in few minutes.